Hello everyone, my name is Danny from creatingawebstore.com, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up DNS in your WHM cPanel. To access your control panel here, simply go to https:// your IP address :2087. Okay, so first we have to create an account. To do this, we go to Account Functions and we click on Create a New Account. And then we enter the domain. And then we enter a username. You can leave it as is or create your own. So enter your passwords in and then choose an email. And then simply click on Create. And your DNS Zone file has also been created. Now simply go back home, and once on the home screen, click on DNS Functions. Click on Edit DNS Zone. Choose your domain and click Edit. In the NS section here, simply change the first name server and the second name server so that your domain is in it. For example, in my case, it's ns1.isaveplaza.com with a period at the end. Same for the second one, ns2.yourdomain.yourtld and a dot at the end. In the section where it reads Add new entries below this line, simply select A and enter your IP address here. And enter your first name server, which would be ns1. On the second line, do the same, enter the IP address and enter your second name server, which in my case is ns2. Keep in mind that your name server names might be different than mine. Remember to enter the correct values. And click on Save. And now that our zone file has been edited, we can proceed to our domain provider's website so that we can add the name servers there. To do this, we have to visit our domain name provider's website. In this case, I have Godaddy. If you have a different domain name provider, it might be a similar process. Well, I'm actually pretty sure that it's going to be a similar process, but it's just that their control panel may look a little bit different. But what you do is you go here and then you look for where it says host names and you click on Manage. And then you click on Add One. And here you would add your first name server. In my case, it's ns1. And I would add the IP address that I assigned to that name server. Then I click on Add, and then I add another host name. And in this case, it would be the second one, which is ns2. And then I paste the IP address, click Add, and then I click Save. And this will take a couple of moments. And while these changes take place, we won't be able to change any of the name server settings, so we'll have to wait for this. So now that we are ready, we can edit the name servers. Simply click on Manage. And here we will choose Custom and enter Custom Name Servers. And you simply add your first name server and your second one. And you click on OK. And now we are ready. And the changes will take place. Note that this will take, well, GoDaddy says that it can take up to a few hours, but in my, from my experience, it only takes a couple of minutes. So I will show you that my server will be accessible by the domain name isaveplaza.com after the changes have taken place. Okay, so now the DNS settings have taken place, because when I go to my domain, I see that I am presented with the Apache page, but as you can see, there's no index, and this is why I'm getting this screen. So to set up an index, you can just log in via FTP. Okay, so all I'm going to do is go to www here, and I'm just going to upload a blank index file just to show you. And there it is, blank. Here we go. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos, and also visit creatingawebstore.com.